In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report pack in Xero. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started with Xero, knowing how to efficiently customize and organize your reports is an invaluable skill that will save you time and hassle in the future. So let's dive right into it. To begin with, you'll want to log into your Xero account. If you're working from a shared space, remember to ensure your credentials are secure and private. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the navigation menu at the top of the screen. You'll see several options, but right now, we are interested in the Reporting tab. Clicking on this will redirect you to a variety of report options that Xero offers. Next, you need to choose a specific report that you want to work with. This could be something like the Profit and Loss report, providing insights into your income and expenses over a chosen period. Or perhaps the Balance sheet, which gives you a snapshot of your financial position at a particular date. Regardless of your choice, you'll have the ability to customize these reports to fit your specific requirements. Customizing your report is simple. Once you've selected your report, look for options to adjust the date range and other available filters. This flexibility allows you to tailor the data to meet your needs, whether you're preparing for a meeting or just keeping tabs on your business's financial health. Now, let's manifest some organizational magic. Head over to the Reports home screen, located under the All Reports tab. Here, you'll want to make use of the search feature. Type in Pack and select the option to Create New Report Pack. This functionality is particularly useful for saving time, as it allows you to bundle multiple related reports into one convenient package. Once you're in the Report Pack creation screen, you can begin adding individual reports to your pack. You can either search for each report by name or simply scroll through the list to locate them. This customization point is truly powerful, as it offers you the opportunity to compile a set of reports that are relevant to your specific workflow or reporting needs. After you've added all the desired reports to your pack, don't forget to save it for future use. This is easily done with a single click and ensures that your custom report pack is readily accessible whenever you need it. To locate your saved custom reports in the future, simply navigate to the Custom tab found under Accounting and then Reports. Here, you can effortlessly find all your personalized report packs and access them as needed, making your reporting process more streamlined and efficient than ever before. By following these steps, you now have a fully customized report pack in Xero, enabling you to streamline your business's financial reporting process with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.